we have then proof, scientific proof to this case, probably for the first time. With this, the scientists cannot say there is nothing to be analyzed, there is nothing to study. Here they have this tape, they have this case, and there is nothing they can do about that. Arturo Robles Gil, as you know, I have presented many times videos from him. I believe he's the fourth messenger of the cosmos. In this case, he's a retired photographer, close to be 70. Even though he stays for 8 hours, 4 in the morning, 4 in the evening, to record some of these videos. Like these 3 objects moving very fast in the sky on October the 4th, 2007. Or this sphere, recorded a month later. You can see the sphere coming down from the sky, like analyzing something. You can see that the movement is intelligent. Now it's going up, proving that it's not a balloon.
Arturo has developed this perception. When he feels there is going to be a new sighting, and this one is very, very original because we have spheres with, black in color, which are not very frequent, as you can see, and all of them keep the formation, and of course the Ebanis.
Probably he has recorded more videos from Ebanis than anybody else. It's just amazing.
And also this phenomena has proven to be global because these kind of entities have been seen in other countries, here in the United States, and it seems that those rare sightings are increasing. But in Mexico, the frequency of these sightings are surprising us. And at the same time, it continues to be a challenge to try to discover what these things are in the sky, sometimes alone or sometimes
You can see
the sentinel.
The sentinel. Many times the sentinel is just there taking care of the big objects. It is clearly who controls the situation. Look at this one. This is huge. Huge. This is 20 kilometers away from the photographer. 20 kilometers away.
And we have made some tests in Mexico City, some recreations just to see the behavior, shape, but the balloons just exploded at certain altitude, which proves these are not balloons. This must be something else.
Yeah, I was able to buy 2 balloons, to send them, to create 2 balloons like this. Smaller, much smaller than this, and it costed me $1,000, 2 of them. And they froze and they separate after a few minutes. Look the movement. It's very organic. The color, now it's black. Sometimes it's red.
So unless there is some millionaire in Mexico playing games, which we don't think so, we had to look for the answer for in another direction, and look how they behave.
September 30, another fleet, the very famous fleets in Mexico, they have been seen everywhere around. You saw the object going very fast to them.
So this large amount of spheres in the sky, just keep in mind, they are over Mexico City, and the air traffic in Mexico City is very intense. So you may wonder, what about the airplanes? Well, there has not been a single accident. And we are very surprised because with so much spheres in the sky, well,
more Evanis. This is just the last videos from this man. I mean, he also has hundreds.
We just lost count of how many videos Arturo has. And they keep appearing. And you can see also the Sentinel there. Sometimes these Evanis release spheres. Now you can see the airplane. That is what I was talking about.
Pues sí, demasiado cerca pasó. Parece una esfera.
Mysterious spheres. Now you can see here that the big Ebony is releasing spheres right there. So we don't know what this means. We don't know what this means. And also other sky watchers have filmed this phenomena in other cities. So it's happening all over Mexico.
30th of November, they continue.
And this is huge. Look how many of them. How many? This is a real flotilla.
The day after that, November the 4th, we had this accident in Mexico City, the airplane, where the Secretary of Interior was killed. I didn't want to mention this possibility. I don't think it was related to the presence of the spheres. They should check because it could happen. I mean, as Santiago has been telling you, has never happened until now, but it's not a guarantee that will happen ever.
And yet there is also a certain concern by the commercial airplane pilots. But, well, we are confident that there is an order on this.
February the 1st, something very strange in the sky. I don't know what it is. There were many formations this year. I won't bother you with that. The season in England was the longest ever, from April 19th, and it finished in Brazil November 9th. And we had formations all around the world, in Germany, in Italy, in Switzerland, in Czechoslovakia, in South Korea, many places.